My name is Alison. I went to Provo College and am graduating from the BSN nursing program. I chose the BSN program at Provo College. Number one, because it was a 3-year program. And number two, because it was touted as like a program perfect for working moms or working parents. I'm a mom, I have a job, but I also wanted to go back to school, and so it was going to work for me. What impacted my education the most is the fact that I had been away from school for so long, but the program really was designed in a way that I could just jump right back in. There was a lot of support, and I never felt out of my element. So I do currently have a job in the field that I'm graduating from for the first time in my life. And I got that because Provo College had held a college fair. Their employment specialist had put us in touch with some of the fairs they were putting together, and it was the first one I'd gone to, and I got lots of traction that day and had lots of options, and I chose one, and I've been working there for a couple months. Provo College has prepared me to be prepared for this job, because they're just thorough. I really felt like their lab, they have the virtual lab and they have the Sims lab, where we were able to get in there on a regular basis and be hands-on and really kind of role play what it would be like in real person, but also the extensive clinical hours they put us through, and just the whole program is organized in a way that you really do come out and you're prepared. I mean, yes, learning starts when you're on the job, but I definitely came out prepared to start that. Pieces of advice that I would give to students coming on board is that it's an intense program. I mean, a nurse is touted to be one of the most trusted professions there are, and you're going to work for that. And so be prepared. Put things on hold for a few years, and it'll pay off.